Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. We have a 2005 to 2020 Frontier. We're going to be doing the rear brakes. I'm going to try to do this in 90 seconds. So go ahead and remove the lug nuts 21 millimeter, get the tire out of the way. You'll have these two bolts right here, and this will take your caliper off. Go ahead and set your caliper up out of the way. Go ahead and remove your two brake pads. As soon as those are removed, you got those two bolts that hold on the actual bracket for your caliper. And set those off to the side. And we'll remove the old rotor and then put the new one on. Go ahead and spray it with brake clean to clean the inside, and then flip it around and do the other side. We're going to put on the bracket, and that is 19 millimeter, 88 foot-pounds. Both those bolts need to be torqued down to spec. We need to go ahead and compress the caliper, that piston, and use that little caliper compression tool. Go slow. We can go ahead and start putting on the brake pads, put a little bit of grease on them. Go ahead and start spinning the bolts back on by hand. Those are 14 millimeters at 26 foot-pounds. Go ahead and spray and clean up, and like, subscribe, and comment if you've not done so far. Check out the full-length video as well.